Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the SMOK RPM 85. Powerful little device that offers a maximum output of 85 watts and a big 6ml pod for your sub-ohm vaping needs. Let's make some clouds. The SMOK RPM 85 features a 3000 milliamp battery, 85 watts of maximum power output, adjustable airflow control ring, 6ml pod capacity, RPM 2 and RPM 3 coil options, and USB Type-C charging. So what's in the box? Well, you're gonna get the SMOK RPM 85 device that has a 6ml pod with a 0.15 ohm mesh coil already installed. You're also gonna get a 0.23 ohm mesh coil, USB Type-C charging cable, and a user's manual that you should definitely read before using your SMOK RPM 85 device. So let's get this thing set up for vaping. First, what you're gonna wanna do is take the pod and just pop it off like that. It's only hold on there magnetically. And on the bottom, there's gonna be a sticker that you wanna remove, otherwise it's not gonna work. Now to take the coil out, if you need to change it, you wanna look at the bottom here, and we'll get a little bit closer. And there is a little red switch I'm gonna pop right there. That's gonna unlock your coil. And now you can just grab that thing. It shouldn't take too much effort, just give it a little pop and it comes right out. And you can put it in a different one, or if you want to keep this one, go ahead, just push it back in firmly. Make sure this little red switch just closes and locks in, you're good to go. Now to fill it, you're gonna want to find this arrow that's embossed in the top plastic there of the drip tip and just slide in that direction, and that's gonna reveal the filling port right there. And that's where we're gonna put the tip of our e-liquid bottle. Now this is a very powerful device, and the coils that come with it are sub-ohm, meant for usage with a high wattage range. So we're recommending that you use a high VG liquid like this 7030 right here. Otherwise, you're gonna get some coil burnage that is not gonna taste good at all. Okay, so with that open, we're gonna take the tip of our e-liquid bottle and insert it into the filling port and just give it a little squeeze to fill it up. Try not to overfill it now. When you're done filling, go ahead and just remove that and push this back into place so it goes all the way. We're gonna reinsert the pod into the device. Now I'm just gonna let this rest upright for about 10 minutes to give the liquid some time to soak into the coil and avoid burning. So now let's turn the device on and make sure the wattage is set correctly for this coil. So we're gonna press the fire button 5 times quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the screen is turning on there. Let's get a little bit closer so you can see that. All right, and right now we're only at 5 watts. So we're gonna use our up and down buttons to adjust the wattage to where we want it. Now I'm gonna click up. And maybe just hold it, because we're gonna go all the way to 40. 42, yeah, that sounds pretty good. We're in an acceptable range for this coil. Now, we're gonna hold this button together, and it's gonna say wattage locked, and that's really helpful, so that way if you grab this thing and you accidentally hit the button, don't realize it, you don't change the wattage when you don't want to. Now you can clear the puff count by pressing the fire and down button together. Puff clear, you can say yes or no. I'm just gonna say no. If you wanna change the color of our theme, press these two together. And oh, we went to purple, white, blue, green, yellow, red. Let's go back to purple. Now to vape, you're gonna wanna hold down the fire button while inhaling off the drip tip. Maximum fire time is 8 seconds. To turn the device off, you're gonna hit this button again 5 times fast, and you'll get the power off screen. Now right now, my battery level is showing 100%, which is pretty good, but if I was down in the lower numbers and needed to charge this thing, what you wanna do is take your USB Type-C cable and plug it in to the charging port here at the bottom. And your other end goes to a power source. and go ahead and let that thing charge up. Now I'm good to go, so I can go ahead and just unplug that, and we're ready to vape. Now this device has an adjustable airflow, which you can set by finding the airflow inlet ring on the back side here. It's just underneath the pod, and just turn that with your fingers. It's pretty smooth. Right now, I have that thing all the way closed. If I turn it this way, you can see the opening, and that is maximum airflow there, good for DTL hits. If you're more of an MTL person, maybe back that off quite a bit, maybe there. So overall, the SMOK RPM 85 is a great option for vapors looking for a powerful and versatile device that offers customizable features and a large pod capacity. So if this sounds like the right device for you, make sure to visit blacknote.com to find one today. And as always, happy vaping.